Hello everybody, it's my privilege to introduce myself to you all. My name is Kamal Kalisetti from MS English Language Center. The main motto for this video is to how to increase the job opportunities in the rural areas. Before going to the topic, to begin with, what are the factors that are influencing people to migrate from rural areas to cities? Now I am going to say the most simplified yet most efficient way to increase the job opportunities in the rural areas. Then just pause the video and let me know in the comment section what are the factors that are influencing people to migrate from rural areas to the cities. After coming to the point, what are the main things that we need to focus to increase the job opportunities in the rural areas? Firstly, by improving the infrastructure, like fixing the roads, bridges, then it is open for the various transportation options. And by supporting the small businesses by providing them loans, and also by supporting the entrepreneurship, and by promoting the tourism, like highlighting the local attractions and invest in facilities to attract the tourists, and also by promoting the value added agriculture, because our future generations need to know the importance and how much does it contributes to the environment. The main cause for the environment is there are mainly two factors. They are deforestation and pollution. By this value added agriculture, we can reduce the effect of global warming in the future years. Then finally, we need to focus on factories and industries, because it may open for the various job options like the daily wage workers, cleaners, drivers and servicemen for missionaries. If they are educated, they will get some good paying jobs too. By the skill development, we need to offer the training programs aligned with the local job markets. They need to attain the students and they need to give the requisites to the employees for the employable skills, and also for the remote works. Coming to this remote works, we need to facilitate the telecommuting opportunities. These telecommuting opportunities may improve by giving the internet access and also by the remote work friendly policies. These are the points that we need to focus to improve the telecommuting opportunities, and also these points that I mentioned above. By these points, we can increase the job opportunities in the rural areas. If you have any points, please post it on comment box. Please do like, share and subscribe to MS Spoken English Guntur. Bye-bye.
Are you afraid of speaking English? Do you want to overcome stage fear? Would you like to crack any company's interview? Would you like to enhance your communication skills? And are you planning to study abroad? If you have no idea how to get the skills you require, you need not worry, friends. We offer all the courses you need. We help you to speak and write better English. We teach you English speaking skills, effective communication skills, interview skills, IELTS, MS English Language Center, special batches for housewives, working professionals, and children. Rodopit 3x1, Guntur. Contact 79979 33388.